Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this zoom effect on CapCut PC. Super simple. You're just going to add in your keyframe here, and then wherever you want it to be zoomed in, you're just going to scale it, and you can move it as well like this. If you want it to be super fast, you're going to get the keyframe and you're going to place it a little bit closer like this. You can even add in a little bit more pizzazz by adding like a graph. So right click, show variable speed animation, select the second keyframe and select whichever one you think looks good. Just play around with the graphs here. Okay, like this one. Close it. If you want to, you can also right click, hide it once you're done. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.